In this video, I am going to configure standard access list. So first of all, we will learn about what is access list and what are its types and how it is configured. We will see it later. So let's begin with some explanation of standard access list. So standard access list is used to control the network traffic, and it is of two type. First is standard access list, which I am going to cover in this video. Second is extended access list. So both can be named and numbered. So speaking about the uh, number of standard access list, uh, this refer to 1 to 99 and 1300 to 1999. So if you see any access list with these numbers, uh, you can easily identify it is a standard access list. So for extended, we have 100 to 199 and 2000 to 2699. So this number helps you in identifying the extended and standard access list. So one major drawback of a numbered access list is if you want to edit the access list, you need to remove the access list first, then you can only enter it. And this is the advantage of named access list, because named access list allow you to simultaneously make changes into the access list without removing any access list first. So I'm going to use IP access, a numbered access, not numbered, named access list in this example. So in this example, we have done static routing 2 weeks back, and I'm going to configure the standard access list. And before configuring the standard access list, we have some keywords like first of all, standard access list is defined on destination router, and the extended is configured close to the source traffic. And the interface, any access list is applied to only an interface, and you can only define the access list only once per interface and in a particular direction. Like we have two type of direction, in and out. So in direction is basically used in extended access list, and out direction is used in standard access list. But you can also have some cases where in is used in standard access list for denying that telnet traffic or SSH traffic into the router. So in defines that first of all, access list will be checked, and then routing will be performed. Out is wise. Out is different. First packet will be routed, and then access list processed. So this was the main theory behind the access list. If you understand this computer, you will face no hurdles while implementing any type of access list. So keep these rules in mind. So let's configure, for example, I have 1.0 subnet and this is 3.0 subnet. So I'm going to configure the any access list to deny traffic from this subnet to this subnet. And also, I want to emphasize one more thing here. There are some statements in any access list that you should be aware of. First of all, there is a permit statement, and second is deny statement. So permit statement means something need to be allowed. Deny statement means something need to be denied. And there is implicit deny at the end of the ACL. Mean you cannot see this statement, but there is implicit deny. Mean if you deny something, then you have to uh, specifically tell the ACL to permit any other traffic. So implicit deny will simply deny any traffic if you do not configure the permit statement, if you have denied something. So let's check how this whole works. So first of all, I'm implementing standard access list, and in standard access list, this is implemented on the destination subnet because this is the source subnet and this is the destination subnet. So access list will be applied on G0 by 1 interface. So let's configure the access list. So if you are configuring using the named access list, IP keyword is used. IP access list, type of access list standard, and name it tech. And then we need to deny 192.168.1.0, and here wildcard mask will be used. Already I have told you about wildcard mask. This is computed by like 1 minute. To compute the wildcard mask, you need to subtract your subnet mask from broadcast. So what is left? 0.0.0.255. So this is how the wildcard mask is computed. Then we need to define permit any. So any other IP address will be permitted because implicit deny is also already there. That's why I have used the keyword permit any. And now I am going to IP access script out. So we need to name tech out. Show access list is where you can see the access list. So let's now bring this from the specific subnet that we have. So destination host unreachable message you will receive. So a particular request has been denied. If you want to check it from here, because we have also given the permit any. So this subnet is allowed because we have implemented permit any statement. So this is how the access list works. Thanks for watching.